Hello, my name is Reinout. In this video, I'll walk you through setting up the Fidelix FDX Compact AO8C analog output module. We will learn how to install the hardware, how to interpret the LED color signals, how to connect and configure outputs, how to parameterize the different safety features, and how to communicate using a third-party Modbus client. And we'll go over some tips and tricks based on our field experience. The AO8C module can be used to generate voltage control signals. Its 8 individually configurable channels are short-circuit protected, can send out precise voltages from 0 to 10 volts. The Modbus address of the module is set using the dip switches at the side of the module. The module itself is powered and it communicates through the T-bus connector, which is clicked onto the DIN rail. 24 volts DC and the Modbus RTU over RS485 communication A and B are passed through here, and the module itself simply clicks onto the T-bus connector. Once powered, the LEDs will indicate the startup sequence of the firmware of the module. Output signals are connected from the numbered connectors. The module also supplies DC and ground connectors for connecting devices. The ground and 24 volts DC supplied through the bottom from the connectors inside the DIN rail are also available at each terminal block through the DC and GND labeled connectors. You can use these connectors, just like the auxiliary connectors, to power field devices. Just make sure to not draw too much current through the module. Also, bear in mind that if your field device malfunctions and creates a short circuit, you risk damaging the module itself also, as well as any other devices connected to the same power supply. So use the DC connectors carefully. AUX connectors. The auxiliary connectors, marked with AUX, are a galvanically isolated loop, all connected to each other. These connectors can be used to send, for instance, an external AC supply voltage to your field devices. The maximum output current of each channel is 20 milliamps at 10 volts, meaning a maximum load of 500 ohms. Because taking a lot of current from the module for a long period of time can cause the module to heat up, it is not recommended to put any heavy load on the module for other purposes than testing or during commissioning. All outputs are short-circuit protected and can be individually set to send out signals from 0 to 10 volts with steps of 1/100th of a volt. In the AO point programming of the FX editor, this is represented with a value from 0.0 to 100.0%. The on-time of the LEDs on the module's status panel show the output value. When the output is off, sending out 0 volt, the LED is off. And when the output is 10 volt, the LED is on solidly. Between those two values, the LED will blink according to the output value. The safety mode can be used by parameterizing the default value in case of a rupture in the communication with the serial Modbus Master FX controller of more than 30 seconds. Each channel can be configured to preserve its last output value or to change to a programmable value. Using another Modbus client than our FX controller, all parameters we just discussed can be set in the module's Modbus registers. You can find the detailed Modbus register description in the download section of the Fidelix Support Central. If your analog output does not return the expected results, check the devices and the AO8C's ground wiring connection. Usually, the mistake is that those are not in the same potential. You now know how to install, configure, and parameterize the Fidelix FDX Compact AO8C analog output module, and you can start connecting all your devices. Please check out our other videos and Academy lessons to learn how to use our other I/O modules. If you need more information or if you have other questions, you can find out everything about all Fidelix products and services at support.fidelix.com.